Hi there. Welcome to Kennedy High School's 2021 Open House. My name is Prof Colby. I'm the SDC Department Chair. I've been here at Kennedy for 17 years and enjoyed every minute of it. This year's been no exception, although it's been a little unusual. I typically teach the sciences, but I have taught other classes. This year, as a matter of fact, I have a couple of world history classes, and I've taught other things in the past as well. Certainly enjoyed my time this year. The kids have been great. I know things are a little bit different in this virtual distance learning world that we're in, but we're looking forward to getting back to seeing the kids face to face really soon. But for now, we've enjoyed the time. Right now, I'd like to introduce you to the rest of our SDC department staff. Next up is Ms. Saccone.
Good morning. This is Ms. Saccone. I teach at Kennedy. I have for 16 years now. I typically teach math. I've taught English and history in the past and transition. Really enjoy our kids. I have just had a great time with the kids, even though we're distance learning. The kids have done fantastic. I'm just really proud of them and just really excited to get back in the classroom with the kids. Thanks for watching. Miss Yours.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mrs. Yours, and I have worked for the Anaheim Union High School District for the past 28 years as an instructional aide. Mr. Colby and I have worked together since the fall semester of 2001. It is my pleasure to assist your student. Some of my other duties include working with Mr. Hadley in health, Ms. Tershman and Mr. Sibley in careers, finance, and technology, otherwise known as CFT, and a wide variety of other activities. I would like you to know the entire SDC team will and is working together to support your student. And now I would like to pass it to Ms. Erksey.
Good evening, everybody. I just would like to introduce myself. My name is Ms. E, and I work with the SDC department. I share with, I'm an aide for Mr. Reed, and I also help out with child development with Miss Idio, and also with choir with Miss West. I have been at Kennedy for 20 years, going on 21 years. I love my job, and your students are wonderful. I like to pass it on now to Mr. Alvarez.
Thank you. I'm Mr. Alvarez. I work side by side with Ms. Saccone in the math program in the SDC. I'm also offer morning tutoring and afternoon tutoring Monday through Thursday for children who need any support. I'm predominantly with math, but also serve to help other kids in the program. With that, I now will pass that on to Mr. Urbanos.
Hello, Kennedy families. My name is Mr. Urbanus. I'm a teacher in the SDC department. I typically teach the social studies, although from time to time I will teach an English class. This is my 9th year at Kennedy High School. I'm a Kennedy alum, so it's really awesome to be teaching back home. I also teach coach football in the fall, and I've been really pleased with the work our students have done this year in a time that is really, really strange to them. Looking forward to seeing you all again very soon, and I'd like to introduce Mr. Reed.
Hi, everyone. Last but not least, I am Tim Reed. I teach the English sections and transition to work elective for our seniors here at Kennedy. I've been around Kennedy for a long time. This is my 15th year as a teacher. However, I also graduated from Kennedy High School back in 2000. So I have been around coaching and working at Kennedy for the better part of 20 years. This has definitely been a funky year for all of us. No one expected, I think, that we would be doing this for so long, but seeing the resiliency of you students, coming in and working as hard as you can every day has been extremely encouraging and promising to us as teachers. We can't wait to get back on campus with you guys. We miss you guys. And we know that soon enough we'll be back together. I find joy in working with you guys every single year. I get to work with the freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors, get to see you guys all the way through. And it's just not the same being online. I don't get to see you guys in person and have those chit chats that we normally get to have. So I can't wait till we get back on campus and get to see each other again. We'd like to thank everybody for coming on in and watching this video with us. And we hope to see everybody soon. Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
Bye.
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 Well done.
Great team.
How about that?
Are we done recording?
We are done recording.
Mine's
I did it. I couldn't.